In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete data using Firebase Realtime Database. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Firebase console and how to safely remove the specific entries you no longer need. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Firebase account and you've selected the correct project. Deleting in Realtime Database is immediate and can cascade to child data, so take a moment to confirm you're working in the right place. First, open the Firebase console in your browser. This is your project's command center, and it's where you'll manage databases, authentication, hosting, and more. If you have multiple projects, verify you're on the correct one by checking the project selector at the top of the console. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and click Build. If your menu is collapsed, you might see just icons. Hover to reveal labels or expand the panel. Build is the section that groups together your backend tools, and it's where both Realtime Database and Cloud Firestore live. In this tutorial, we're specifically using Realtime Database. Now click Realtime Database. This opens the dashboard for your real-time data. If you happen to land on the rules or usage views, don't worry, we'll switch to the right place in the next step. Click the Data tab. This is the tree view of your database, showing your JSON hierarchy. You can expand and collapse nodes to navigate to the exact path you want to manage. Take a moment to identify the precise key or node you intend to delete. Remember, deleting a parent node removes all of its children, so if you only want to remove a single field, make sure you're targeting that specific key rather than its container. Find the item you want to delete and hover over it. When you hover, the console reveals action icons next to the key or value. This is your visual confirmation that you've selected the correct entry. Double-check the path in the data preview to ensure it's the right one. Click the delete icon, then confirm delete in the prompt. The console will ask you to confirm because the action cannot be undone. Once you confirm, the item is removed and the change propagates to connected clients almost instantly. If you don't see the update right away, give the view a moment or refresh the page. A quick tip: ensure your security rules allow you to perform deletes, and consider exporting or copying the value if you might need it later. That's it. You've successfully deleted data in Firebase Realtime Database confidently and safely.